नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, दूसरे वीडियो आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In previous classes we discussed about esophagus, chest disorder, then esophageal disorders, then stomach disorders. Now in sequence, today's class we will discuss about anatomy of small intestine. What mean by small intestine? Small intestine means duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. These three parts of small intestine. Let's discuss. The small intestine, a small bowel, is the part of GI tract following the stomach and followed by large intestine, and is where much of digestion and absorption of food takes place. The small intestine composed of a duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Clear, students? It receives bile juice and pancreatic juice through the pancreatic duct, controlled by sphincter of Oddi. Structure of small intestine. The average length of small intestine is an adult human male is 6.9 meter, approx 7 meter, is equal to 22 feet and 8 inch, and 7.1 meter in an adult female means a female have more length than male. It can vary greatly from as short as 4.6 meter to as long as 9.9 meter. Recent studies indicate that small intestine may be shorter around 3.5 and that the length is less affected by age after childhood than expected. It is approximately 2.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter. The surface area of the human small intestine mucosa averages 30 square meter. The small intestine is divided into three structures part. The small intestine is divided into three structural parts. First one is the duodenum. It is a short structure about 20 to 25 centimeter long, continuous with continuous with the stomach and shaped like a C. It surrounds the head of the pancreas. It receives gastric chyme from the stomach. It receives gastric chyme from the stomach together with the digestive juice from the pancreas and the gallbladder bile. The digestive enzyme break down proteins and bile and emulsify fat into micelles. The duodenum contains Brunner glands which produce a mucus rich alkaline secreting containing bicarbonate. These secretions in combination with bicarbonate from the pancreas neutralize the stomach acid contained in gastric chyme. The jejunum is the midsection of the small intestine connecting the duodenum to the ileum. It is about 2.5 centimeter 5 meter long and contains the plica circularis and villi that increase its surface area for absorption. Products of digestion are absorbed into the bloodstream here. The suspensory muscles of duodenum marks the division between the duodenum and the jejunum. Third one is the ileum. The final section of the small intestine is about 3 meter long and contains villi similar to the jejunum. It absorbs mainly vitamin B12 and bile acids, as well as any other remaining nutrients. The jejunum joins to the cecum of the large intestine at the ileocecal junction. It means cecum is the part of large intestine and formed with ileum to make ileocecal junction. Function of the small intestine. Food from the stomach is allowed into the duodenum through the pylorus by a muscles called the pyloric sphincter. Second one, digestion. And third, the then the small intestine is where most chemical digestion takes place. Many of the digestive enzymes that act in the small intestine are secreted by the pancreas and enter the small intestine via the pancreatic duct. Pancreatic enzyme and bile from the gallbladder enter into the small intestine in response to the hormone cholecystokinin, which is produced in the small intestine in response to the presence of nutrients. Secretins, another hormone produced in the small intestine, cause additional effects on the pancreas, where it is promote the release of bicarbonate into the duodenum in order to neutralize the potentially harmful acid coming from the stomach. A diagram showing duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. This diagram is showing the this diagram is showing the parts of small intestine. This is the stomach. Then the first part of small intestine is duodenum. This one is C-shaped duodenum. Then it communicates with the second part of the small intestine is called duodenum. Sorry, jejunum. This one is jejunum. Yes, students. And third part of small intestine is ileum. Communicate with the large intestine of cecum part of the large intestine to and make ileocecal wall. This is the ileocecal wall. Okay, students. This is all about the anatomy of small intestine. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt and queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.